Hello friends, if you will try to do this at home, please be careful. This might give you a high-risk electric shock. I was looking for a cheap smart switches for my house to replace the old-fashioned ones, but most of them needed the neutral wire, and those which did not, they were, I would say, unreasonably expensive. That's why I decided to buy a cheap 15 amp smart plug and convert it into a smart switch. This is the smallest smart plug with on-off button and small form factor, and 15 amp, at least 15 amp, what I could find on a market. If you could find even smaller, that will be better for the installation. This is the plastic case which I'm going to reuse. Later I made even bigger holes in the blade because when I was trying to cover the box, it was bending the wire and the on-off button was pushed away from clicking. It is really important that the on-off button will stay exactly under the clicking mechanism. Amazon, turn off kitchen light.
Okay.
Amazon, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.